Hello and welcome to marketing91.com. In this video, we are going to cover the topic on role of advertising in product lifecycle. Let's start with the introduction stage. The product is introduced into the market in this stage, after which the sales grow steadily. Sales can be improved while ensuring that products survive in the market with the help of brand awareness. Let's look at the work of advertising in the introduction stage. Product information can be provided, buyers can be encouraged to buy a product, brand awareness can be created, and a positive attitude can be developed with the help of advertising in this stage. Aggressive and direct product marketing constitute the hard sell approach, which is the focus. Advertising budgets can be increased more than the sales revenue by advertisers. Example in this case, Ikea's entry into India. Ikea spent around Rs 150 to around 180 crores on advertising in India. It has opened its second outlet in Mumbai, and the focus now has shifted to Delhi and Bengaluru. Next is the growth stage. A company's profit and sales develop in the growth stage while the product prospers in the market. The sales can be increased by bringing in new customers, which is possible with the help of extensive and intensive advertising. Thus, advertising in the growth stage entails improving the brand image, loyalty, magnifying corporate image, acquiring a competitive edge, and increasing market share is the main focus. The hard sell approach might be continued by advertisers in environments that have a lot of competition. And environments with very little competition, soft sell approach can be implemented. Moving further, a high advertising budget may be continued with. Example, Absolut Vodka, the Absolut bottle campaign. Absolut bottles don't have a distinct shape. It is, however, the easiest to recognize bottle around the globe. Absolut's campaign included print ads were a huge success. These showed the bottles in the wild. The ad continued running for 25 years. It's the longest ad that has run without any interruption. It consists of more than 1500 separate ads indicating bottles in different situations. Absolut's vodka market share was only 2.5% when the campaign was launched. It finally came to an end in the early 2000s. By then, Absolut was importing around 4.5 million cases in the US per year. This is half of the total vodka imported in the country. Moving on to the third stage, maturity stage. The company tries to maintain its brand loyalty in this stage where it is already established. Since companies spend money on advertisements to sustain market share and the sales are stable, profits typically reduce. The advertising in the maturity stage is typically about retentive advertising. The example in this case is Nivea Sun. These ads came with a phone plug and very thin solar cells. These additions use the sun's rays to keep the cell's battery charged. That way, people could stay longer at the beach knowing that their cells wouldn't switch off. Moving further, the sunscreen was advertised in Brazil. Nivea, along with Giovanni plus Daft FCV, published special ads which were solar-powered chargers for cell phones. These ads came with a solar panel and a cell phone plug. This let consumers leave them to soak up the sunlight and charge the phones. In the meantime, they could enjoy the sun and the beaches of Rio. Moving on to the fourth and the final stage, decline stage. Sales reduce in this final stage due to the launch of improved and new products in the market and due to a change in the customer preferences. Thus, the advertisement in the decline stage might not help keep the brand afloat. The advertising budget may reduce, and reminder advertising might be used by advertisers. So that's it, folks. This brings an end to the topic of role of advertising in the product lifecycle. These are some of the sources and links referred to for the content in the video. If you've liked the video, do subscribe to our channel. If you want to view these videos in an organized manner, you can visit freecourses.net, where all our videos are arranged in the form of courses. Thank you and see you in the next video.